In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly URL. Your Calendly link is what you share with clients, colleagues, or friends so they can easily book time with you. Keeping this link clear, simple, and on brand can make scheduling feel much more professional. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in your Calendly account to update that URL and how to save the change properly so the new link is ready to use. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account in your web browser. Once you're on your main Calendly dashboard, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. There you'll see your profile icon. This might appear as your initials or a small profile image. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where Calendly keeps a lot of your personal settings and account options. From that drop-down, look for the option labeled My Link. This is the section that controls your personal Calendly URL, the one that usually looks like calendly.com/ followed by your name or a custom word. Go ahead and click My Link. Calendly will take you to a page dedicated to your personal link settings. On this page, you'll see a field where you can type in the new URL ending you want. This is the part that comes after calendly.com/. Click into that text field, delete the existing text if needed, and carefully type in your new preferred link. Try to keep it short, easy to spell, and relevant to you or your brand. For example, you might use your full name, your business name, or a simple variation that people can remember. Avoid spaces and special characters and double check for typos because this is the link you'll be sharing. Once you've entered the new link, take a moment to review it and make sure it looks exactly how you want. When you're happy with it, look for the button that says Save Changes. Click Save Changes to confirm the update. Calendly will process your new URL and, if it's available, it will apply it to your account. After saving, it's a good idea to copy your new Calendly link and paste it into a new browser tab to make sure it opens correctly. You can then update this link anywhere you've shared your old one, such as email signatures, websites, or social profiles. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Calendly URL and your new link is ready to share.